Alright, Bible song. Ganun sa masadora ni. Okay, 2 Corinthians chapter 5, verse 17. 2 Corinthians chapter 5, verse 17.
Therefore, if anyone thinks about he is in information, behold, the middle has come.
Alright, patien ro pinan goodness of God ti da ganun tando natin. Chan bo ganun tando na nilovat patien kan faksa dor ni wena yen kan worship dor ni. So vai mi puite kan thiam chone mi no sakui veturin kanun song kan chewani. Alright guys, we're gonna sing from the chorus, okay? We're gonna sing from the chorus. It's all my life, let's go. Cause all my life you have been faithful, and all my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able, oh I will sing of the goodness of God. Let's sing that one more time. All my life, let's go. It's all my life you have been faithful. It's all my life you have been so good. Every breath that I am able, oh I will sing of the goodness of God. I love you, Lord. I love you, Lord. For your mercy never fails me. All my days I've been held in your hands. From the moment that I wake up until I lay my head, oh I will sing of the goodness of God. Beautiful in all my life. It's all my